Hey, how's it going, everybody? Cage here, and we're back at the humble abode. Made a few changes. So, there used to be a door right here. I've got to get rid of these torches yet, but yeah, there used to be a door right there. And the problem is, oh yeah, and I did this glass flooring, but the problem was when you came out that door, there was a pillar right there, and it just didn't look right. So yeah, I added this glass floor in on both sides. Yeah, I think it looks pretty good. You can actually I just see the waterfall, and that's what it's really all about, is a waterfall. And I'm starting to see something. The water here seems to be changing color as the sun sets, and that's pretty cool. Yeah, if you don't know, we have a few mods. But yeah, I'll show you. Yeah, definitely getting pinker. So back here, I'm really not sure what I'm going to do. I may um, just build a big square building, kind of an ugly building. But I'm thinking of over here building steps up, a walkway over, and a door that you can go right out on there. Just a thought. I don't know if I can actually do it. I probably can. But yeah, I think that'll be pretty cool. And you want to get rid of that torch, make a new one, put it over here. And over there is probably going to be all the equipment needed for maintaining a base. Make it into like a workshop. That was pretty. What do we got here? Oh, Dilo. Dilo's probably going to be chasing that Parasaur. Years of wildlife. Oh, what do we got? Oh, something's chasing that Parasaur. Oh, another Dilo. Run, Dilo. He gonna get you. Come on, you're like 4 times the size, for God's sake. But yeah, dodo birds, and the parasaurs are an amazing way of telling when there's danger. Sorry about that. They will both, you see them running, you know something's out and about. And if you see me running, something's really happening. Is I can run fast. Definitely going to be changing these as well, the wall torches. Um, they're just a standard build, and I can make them SS, which will give it a bit more property. I won't need to put this for this torch to work. I need to put wood or Thatchin. What's the SS one? Oh, it tells me I'm hot. Well, thank you. I do look rather rugged. Oh, I need to fix that. There. I hid my hat. Now he looks all regal. A little ponytail. Yeah. And yeah, that's all I wanted to do was show that waterfall. Now I'm going to put railings along here. I'd love to put almost fell off. That wouldn't have been good. That would have hurt. Put railings underneath, but I don't know if I can. But yeah, this is what I've done, and I hope you're having a great day because I sure am. Have a good one, guys. Hey, how's it going, everybody? Cage again. Um, so yeah, we've been brewing beer over here. Um, on our beer kegs. Is it going to her? Yes. So she uses beer as fuel, and she gathers our vegetables, our crops. But I was telling somebody about it, and we got on the thing about what happens if you drink a beer. So I should drink a beer. I'm gonna consume it. Now there's what happens. You get a little bit blurry, and that's just one beer. And you got a whole counter there showing you. Now so my stamina is going down, meaning I'm running out of energy. It's affecting my food and my water a little bit. So what'll happen is, if you drink too much beer, I believe your vision gets even worse, and you run out of stamina. And it really slows you down. Yeah, you're tired. So I'm out of stamina. And so, yeah, I've slowed down quite a bit. So, yeah, if you're out in the wild, probably not a good idea to drink beer. Now, what beer can do is I believe it will warm you up if you're cold, I think. Other than the, you know, role-playing aspect of it was when you're with your friends and you're all going to sit around and drink beer. Well, if you drink enough, you will pass out. Whoa. Oh, must be in a cave. Yes, we are in a cave. I was wondering why I got the home symbol there. That's because we're in a cave. So about 8 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, 0. And I guess I got a headache. My stamina coming back up now? Nope. So, yeah, so if you're out in the wild and you're being chased by something, you're not going to be able to run very fast. My vision is cleared. I'm not going to drink any more beer because of stuff I need to do. About 19 seconds and my stamina will start coming up. So yeah, not a good thing to do would be drink beer while you're in the water, because if you run out of stamina when water, you can't swim. If you can't swim, you sink. If you sink, you drown. There we go. So now, my stamina is coming back up. My food's down. Water's way down. So, yes, we left the door open. Or I left the door open. Look at that door. I should have water right here. There is food in the refrigerator. Oh, it doesn't allow me to eat out of the refrigerator anymore. Six pieces. That'll do it. And my food and water are back up. You know, I've never noticed a door over here. Duh. Whoa, 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 whoa. I've just seen Terry run in. And I landed on top of the vault. Maybe I'll sneak out and you won't see that I had a pet in the house. Well, that wasn't a very good sneak. I got caught. And there's my monkeys. For some reason I thought this was a female, but yeah, it's a male. And this one is a male. Oh, thank you very much. I'm just glad I walked over just in time to watch you poop. It's a male too, so. Alright, that's it. I am out this time for sure.